Hi, welcome to my presentation over AutoCAD How To. My name is Brianna Pickert. Let's get this started, guys. First, AutoCAD. CAD stands for Computer Aided Drawing. It lets you design 2 and 3D drawings within the program, and it also allows you to do draftings, floor plans, side views of your houses and whatnot. We will be going over how to utilize lines in this presentation, how to create walls, rooms, cabinets, furniture and appliances, doors, windows, and how to use text to differentiate between rooms. First things first, go ahead and open up your Autodesk application. I use the 2016 version. That's just the version I learned on. You can use any version. And to begin drawing, you need to click this button here on the left-hand side of the screen that says Start Drawing. Lines, I changed my units to architectural. That's just, it's in inches and feet. It's just a preference again, but it's easier to read because that's what we've learned here. Line weight, again, another preference. I leave mine at 0.0212 inches. And that's just so I can see it on the screen. If it's any smaller than that, I almost can't see it. To begin drawing your line, go ahead and there's an icon at the top left hand of the screen and it says line. You can either click there or you can just type line directly onto the screen. It'll pop up. Walls. To use walls, or to draw walls, we will utilize inline. Type in inline on your screen and you can go ahead and click anywhere and begin drawing. I went ahead and did a 26 foot by 40 foot floor plan. Once that's finished, the corners won't be joined, but you can double click on the inline and this box will pop up. You just click this here that says corner joint and it will go ahead and join those corners for you. Rooms. To create rooms, we will also be using inline. That's just to create depth in the walls so you can show spaces for studs and stuff. These are the measurements I did my bedrooms and my bedroom and bathroom. You can create any size room you would like. This was just strictly for presentation purposes. Cabinets. So cabinets, we use the line tool. It's just any shape you would like, one solid line, anywhere. The general rule is to keep the cabinets 2 foot out from the wall, just because that's how they are in real life, real time. Furniture and appliances. You can see that I also used line within here, stovetop, refrigerator. I actually used the rectangle option to draw the sink here, but just make it look like the appliance that you're wishing to draw. Excuse me. And then for the furniture, same thing. This is typically how you would see a sofa and a chair on a floor plan. But if you're watching this video, then you should have some prior knowledge to this program already. So you'll understand it when you see it and you'll understand what to draw. Doors. To begin drawing doors, you utilize the line tool again and create an L shape. There's my first half, and then there's my other one. Doors are typically 3 foot in length and width. Not length, I'm sorry, width. So you'll do a 3 foot line here and here. And then there's going to be a drop down box right here that says arc. That'll drop down. You'll select the option that says start angle end. You will click on the end of this line to start, the end of this one, and then just type in 90 degrees on your keypad and hit enter and it'll draw a perfect arc right here for you. Windows. So windows are simply 3 lines. I don't have the middle line drawn here. It is in the finished floor plan though. You can pick any width you would like. I think typical is 4 foot. But go ahead and draw 2 vertical lines and then 1 horizontal line to connect it. Text. We use text to differentiate between the different rooms within the floor plan. So you'll see my finished floor plan in just a second. I have the bedroom, the bathroom, the closet, all of that good stuff labeled to show you which room was what. Here is the finished floor plan. You can see here we got the lines drawn in for the windows. Here's the arc we talked about for the door. And then all of my finished furniture, sofa, chair, coffee table. Alrighty, this manual includes simple, easy steps to follow. Some prior knowledge of the program is needed in order to understand some of the terms used. Owning this manual could get you one step ahead of everyone else, making you the best in your class. If you guys have any questions over anything I went over in this presentation, please feel free to email me at the email below. Thank you.